Welcome to the daily Bitcoin update. Alright guys, so Bitcoin today broke this previous move. Okay, we got a move of 6%. Sorry. Yeah, 6%. Almost 7 right now. And it's really bullish Bitcoin today and probably on the next days. I got the possible short here because I was going to. I didn't because it's late and I need to go to bed. Okay. But even if I got in, I was already closed just to see. I was stopped. If I got the entry just a little below, my stop was normally it's on 20%. Yeah, close really bad. And no problem, not important. So let me just start on a weekly. Okay. Uh, right. So we have the top there. This was the first new all-time high. Top. Okay, not. I'm gonna mark this weekly as a break level. Okay, so if Bitcoin goes above that, it's probably just going to a new all-time high. Let's see the possible rejections that we have before that. Okay, we have the daily polarity moment here. That's the a daily break. It was tested so many times. It didn't open and close a green candle above, and after this big rejection, the price just moved down 30%. Okay, so this is the polarity moment that we need to be careful. Okay, daily. This was the daily that was not tested. This is the only green candle that was not tested here. All below that, unless this one, but the backside was here, so not really important. We saw little rejection there, but not that big to see and say that the price was going to move even lower. So we have the, let me mark the body, that's the greedier level on the daily. Inside this daily, we still have the 4 hour. Okay, let me just go there. Okay, inside this daily, we have the 4 hour here. It was tested by this candle here. So here we have kind of three possibilities. No, two. Okay, the body, it's the greediest level, and the wick. Okay, we have the backside here, but it's really close to the wick of that candle. Yeah, I'm gonna just mark the body. We are here on this polarity moment on the 4 hour. This is the level that I marked. That was the level that brought the move down before that. Okay, so we are now testing this range. That's the level. Let me delete this one so you guys don't get confused. We don't need this anymore. That's the polarity moment. If we go above that, this is kind of the last rejection on the 4 hour for me. Okay, we have the daily polarity there. We don't have any 4 hour here that was not tested. We have the base of the move here, not the base but the top of the move. Okay, this candle was not tested multiple times, but this one was. So this one, it's the bigger one, this really bullish candle here. But I can mark that, it's not really important. But yeah, we have to wait and see where are we going to reject. Okay, that's kind of the deep dive on the top. Last possible short for me, because if we go there, we can kind of short that, but yeah, it's going to be so volatile that I cannot get an entry unless I get the 15-minute candle confirmation. Okay, so let's just go. Yeah, I can delete this, but no problem. Let's go to the present here. Okay, let me go to the 4 hour. Okay, so we have the weekly level. Of course, we are not going to see a big rejection on the weekly, but we might create a weekly downtrend if we close this week on a green below that top, of course. Okay, we can create that. Let me just check the monthly. Okay, yeah, we are eating a monthly break right now. I don't like to trade on that because the month, I'm gonna mark this as a weekly, but it's the monthly. I don't trade on monthly candles, okay, guys, because we can always go above that to lower time frames and have the rejection, okay? So let's see if this 4 hour can hold the move down. Let me check that. 5, we already open and close a green candle above that. Not a 15. So if this 15 closes below the body here of this top, we can try to short the retest of this candle. Okay, but yeah, we have to be careful because this is going to be really volatile. How much is this? Oh, sorry. Dun, dun, dun. Sorry. Yeah, just this little range, it's almost 1%. Almost 1%. Let's see if we are going to see a big rejection here. I really want this 4 hour to get a big rejection there. Honestly, I want a big rejection on this 4 hour. Otherwise, I don't see that daily or that 4 hour over there to bring the move down. Because we are attacking higher levels there. And when we approach the top, there's less levels that can hold the price down. Okay. So this was probably my last opportunity for a short, at least on the next few hours. It can still reject the move, okay, guys, because it's a polarity moment. It goes above the level, a little bit above the level, and closes below that. It's a 4 hour, so we really need to wait. Uh, yeah, but we can easily create a top here from that previous range. Let me see that. Can we do it? On the daily, maybe. Yeah, we are probably going to attack the next untested level on the daily or on the 4 hour, I think. Because we kind of don't have a downtrend here, guys. We don't have it. We add it, but right now it's just not created, okay? We had something like this on a weekly, but yeah, it was broken, and right now we might be creating this, but there's still 3 days for the weekly close, and that will not give us a confirmation of the trend, just a possible creation, okay? So we have it on the daily, I think, from back here. I probably don't like this uh, because levels, trends are levels, and I rather short the daily or the 4 hour here than this trend. Okay, so yeah, but we might have some downtrend here on the daily. Probably not a strong one because it was tested multiple times here. Let me check that. Daily here, probably here. But yeah, on a 4 hour, we probably broke that on one of these candles. Let me check that on the 4 hour actually to have kind of a confirmation. If we have a 4 hour opening and closing above the line here, we need to. Oh, okay, it might be one. It might be. Okay, it might be. I kind of might create. Can I create this? Let me check that. just a range trend. Yeah, we already crossed that. We already crossed that. So even if this was a good trend, we are now attacking some bigger one. Yeah, I probably don't like this one. I probably don't like that trend. I can keep it. I'm gonna keep it. Just to see if we are going to see a reaction there. Okay, so we got the big reaction here. Well, not really fast, but it was yeah, almost 0.8%. So yeah, this on the 5, this was the last support. We might see a retest on the previous polarity moment here on the 5. Yeah, Bitcoin, it probably it's going up, but it has to have some little corrections before trying to attack the new all-time high, or at least trying to attack the previous new all-time high. Okay, guys, so it's everything from today. Thank you so much, and see you guys on the next video. Thank you.